So, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm going to do a morning routine, weekend routine. Yeah, I'm going to do a weekend routine with the family. Yesterday was a wedding, so I posted it today. I think you saw it. The link is by the corner below. Above. So guys, bzz, 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 bzz. I'm so tired, guys. Let me go and take a quick bath so that we can go to the farm today to go and check. So, guys, this is my wedding ring. Look at it, so pretty. Let me take a bath. Let me add some of this on the purple one. Let me get out of the bowl first. Guys, this is my wedding robe. So I'm done bathing right now. Let me wipe myself. So yesterday I slept with this makeup. Let me take it. So let me take it off. So like let me wake up the children so that they can get up, get ready, and get going. So guys, we're at the farm. Hooray! So guys, we're going to take some of this. Let me like protect myself, guys. I'm so scared of this. So we're going to take hi ma'am. So this is the farmer's kid. There are lots of eggs, guys. Going to eat. So going to take some of the pumpkins, even though they're not too much. I'm going to unlock this. So let's just do this. I'm going to take it home with me. So let me plant this Cheerios. So guys, wait until we get home. So guys, I'm making pumpkin pie. So these are my ingredients except this one and this one. So going to make it. Let me chop some of this. So the rest of the family are in the sitting room. So here's it. Going to make more. So guys, going to let it cook in this oven. So heating up, going to do some more. So while waiting for the pumpkin pie to bake, I'll set up the table. So guys, I like long tables because they help with space and also other things. So these are not plates, are like a layout of plates. I'm sorry for that. The last one, I'm going to take some pies. Guys, come and eat. Oh, mommy cooks so beautifully. What is it? Pumpkin pie. My favorite. I'll eat. I want some more. Maybe can I take one? Yeah, you can take one. I'm going to put this glass here at my table. So I'm eat up and guys, eat faster, eat faster. Let me have a big bite. Oh, I don't want to eat. Well, let me just taste. If you don't want to eat, bring. No, I'll eat it. Oh. So good. Me are the best cooker in the world. Eat up. I don't want to eat all. Yeah, I know. I'm going to clean up the plates because they said I don't want to clean up the table to help mom. Thank you, girl. Guys, come and take vitamins. Let me eat. So guys, these are vitamins that helps and improve appetite. Even though you don't see it, they improve appetite. Just mind it. So yeah, I saw it. It fell down on the floor. And again, just mind it, guys. Let me blast switch on the dishwasher. Bye guys. We're going to a special restaurant. I don't know, what does it say? It's a Chinese restaurant. So wait for us.